Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to enable LED flash alerts on your iPhone. With this feature turned on, your iPhone's flashlight will blink whenever you get a call, message, or notification. A really helpful option if you often miss alerts or prefer a visual reminder. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now, scroll again and select the Audio/Visual option. In this menu, scroll down until you find LED Flash for Alerts. Tap on LED Flash for Alerts and switch it on to activate the feature. And that's it! You've successfully enabled LED Flash Alerts on your iPhone. From now on, your device will use the flashlight to notify you of calls and messages, making it easier to catch alerts even when your phone is on silent. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.